There was a real effort on the part of both Congresswoman Swansing and Senator Gatchalian to make it transparent, to put it online, to have live streaming, etc. Pero ang totoo, kung nanood kayo, di ba napakahaba ng mga suspension, postponement, bulungan, papatayin muna yung live stream, ang tagal-tagal, at walang katapusan yung pagte-telephone. Ang daming tumatawag, orders from on high ba yun? And we were always aghast when they came back. There was already some kind of an agreement. And as much as I was jumping up and down, protesting, that we don't need all this repeat. For example, napaka-redundant ng presidential assistance to farmers, 10 billion. It came out of nowhere. Sumulpot lang yan sa BICAM. Huwag nilang sasabihin walang insertion sa BICAM. Dahil wala talaga yan sa original budget. Ang usapan namin, yung AIX na lang, yun ang talagang tutulong. Whether disaster, agricultural, at iba pa. Bakit meron na naman bago? Nagdoble-doble na, magiging magulo. At anong listahan na naman ang ibibigay dyan? Kapag agricultural, rice farmer lang ba yan sa RSBS? O paano yung fisher folk na mas mahirap pa? Magulo. And then they added pa, eto nga, yung AIX na sa BICAM, naging 64 billion from a
tumaas.
27.
Tumaas.
Yeah.
Oo, tumaas.
More than double. Kaya, 250% nagulat ako. Sabi ko, ako ang promotor ng AIX kasi malaking tulong. Pero, eto na naman tayo. Sana naman mapupunta yan kasi nagamit yan sa politika. Kaya napipilitan ka tuloy to become very malicious because it was used in the last election. Is it going to be used once again in the coming elections as well as the impeachment?
Okay, so are you seeing this
way?
Senator Marcos, are you seeing this as a concession being made by President Marcos Jr. for legislators in the lower house? Are you seeing this as a concession?
Well, given the extraordinary, humongous amounts, we are compelled to think twice. Bakit kaya? Samantalang, ang direly needed natin ang mga infrastruktura, yung subway na yan, yung mga tren, yung ating ports, ang airports, all the things we need for tourism and trade, all of that is not being put in place. In fact, we are gouging our government corporations, ang PDIC, ayan na, yung PhilHealth, GSIS, SSS, nako talaga naman yung Land Bank at DBP na nanagilid na sa flood control loans, lahat yan, we are gouging with their, anong sinasabi nila, malalaking reserve. Paano ba to?